Okay, good evening all, and thanks a lot for joining. I hope that you are able to see me. Okay, good evening, Praveen. Okay, good evening, Karnam Gajendra Mohitanand Sai. Wow, name is really big. Hello, Devendra Vanama. Hello, bro. I'm good. I'm good. How are you guys doing? Very good evening, and thanks a lot for joining. I'm waiting still for a few more people. Okay, and then we can start the session. I hope you all have brought your resumes. So what I will quickly do is hello, Omkar. Hello, Surya Kaushik bhai, कैसे हो? बढ़िया? सब ठीक? Right. So let me put it for you what we are trying to do today. Okay, done. Okay, good evening all. So tell me, how are you guys doing first of all before we start the session? Right, I'm very much excited because resume plays a very important role, right? Great. So we will discuss, Srikanth, we will discuss about those things also, right? So yes, people on LinkedIn, if you are, anyone is here, yes, those who are watching me, you can tell me hi so that I can understand that you guys are with me. Okay. So tell me a hi. Yes, I am good. Mohammed Shoaib, I'm doing good. Absolutely doing good. So I'm waiting still for some more people to join so that we can start the session. So hardly 1 or 2 minutes we will wait, and then we can start the session. Okay. Right. Good to see you all. How to share resume? I will give you the drive link, so not to worry. Okay. So I have a drive link with you guys, and I'll be sharing that. So not to worry. Yes. Now people on LinkedIn are saying me hi. Okay. Nanda is there. Mohammad Yasir Khan. Okay. Are you the guy who prepared the document? Yasir? I am good. Sheikh Rafiq Bhai. I am doing good. Batch 12, we will discuss a little bit of time. Okay. First, we will focus on the resumes. Okay. How to prepare resume and all those things we will discuss. Okay. Pooja Bhavani. Hello. Great. So thanks a lot for joining. So first, what we will do is I'll show you first my resume, okay, and then slowly we will move ahead with the other parts of the resumes, and I'll be giving you a drive link, okay, drive link I will share, okay. Okay, so this is the one which I was telling you all. I will share the drive link, okay, in couple of minutes. Yes. So Yasir, thanks a lot. Okay, and if you want to work with me, I have also told you you can send out an email. We can discuss. Okay, so that was a good doc. Thanks a lot. Okay, right. So those who are uploading the resumes or those who want their resumes to be reviewed, I will share the drive link and then we can have the set of things planned. Okay. Yes. So hi bro. Right now I'm doing system engineer. I want to switch to. Can you tell me the next DevOps batch? DevOps batch all is going to start. Give me some time. I will definitely tell all those things. You can stay in this live, and as I have told you all, right? You all will upload your resumes on the drive link, and I'll be doing the resume reviews. First, I will show you my resume, how I created, what are the things that I have kept in that resume, and then we will discuss on the next things. Shall we start the session? Yes. So very important. Yes. Is resume review after tips? Yes. So after whatever I will tell you, then we can have the reviews of your resumes. Done. So today is Saturday. Thanks a lot for joining. Almost like close to 60-70 people are watching me. So that's great. Being Saturday, you guys are making to join my session, right? So that's really good. So yeah. Okay, done. So let me share my screen. I'll quickly start with the data points, what are to be present in your resume, what are the things that should be there. So let me share the screen for you all. Great. Okay, are you guys able to see my screen? Yes. So what are we going to do today? It's a very interesting class, and we will be definitely looking at various aspects of resume preparation. Okay. At the same time, I will be discussing about, I'll be sharing you some resume templates also, which will be helping you to prepare your own resume. I'll be talking about the resume based projects, how you can make your resume to get selected in any kind of project areas. And finally, we will have the resume reviews. Okay. So I will share the drive link, and you can upload the resumes onto the drive link, and we can have a resume review. Clear? Make sense? Right. So all of you see here, whenever we are making any kind of resume, so basically you can select this templates from any of the platform that I'm going to tell you. So first point, we will discuss about the resume preparation, which is very, very much important. So resume preparation, for the resume to be prepared, you can select some websites which are available. The first website is novoresume.com. Okay, it gives whatever I am writing, it's as per my experience, whatever I have checked in the market. It gives 1-page free resume. Okay, and the templates are very, very good. And 2-page free resume. Okay, 2-page resume, if you need, you have to pay some amount. I'm not sure of that. I have opted for this one, 2-page resume. Okay, if you want only the free resume, there is one more portal, canva.com. There is 2-page, 3-page, 4-page free resumes are available. Free resume templates are available. Okay, which you can definitely look out for any kind of help. Okay, make sense, everyone? Okay, so whatever I'm telling you, it will be definitely helping you, and I'll be showing you few portals also. Like this is novoresume.com, this is canva.com, and the third which you have is basically the flowcv.com. Okay, now in this, what it has is basically it has all the free resume templates. Okay, and this portal is basically an advanced portal. Okay, so you can have a flowcv.com, log into the flowcv.com and create your free resumes. And the fourth portal which I usually check out, right, is basically your overleaf.com. Okay, so this overleaf.com also gives you free resume templates. Okay, if you actually go and take any of these portals, any of the resumes are available for you to make sure that you are getting a very good template. I hope you are making down notes. If you have any questions, you can ask me. How many pages should be there? That's one of the important thing. We will discuss about that. How many pages should be there? This is one of the good questions. So let's talk about that. Once you have selected, now all of you tell me, which is your favorite portal, resume portal? Have you ever checked about Novo Resume or Canva.com or FlowCV.com or Overleaf.com? Anyone? Have you checked these job portals? Yes, Canva. FlowCV. Harshvardhan is telling he has checked on FlowCV. Some are telling Canva. Yes, Swati. Hello. Redis plus MongoDB. FlowCV. Okay, Harshvardhan is telling again FlowCV. Overleaf. Nanda has checked Novo Resume. Okay, Overleaf. Okay. Lohit is telling FlowCV. Majority of you are using FlowCV Overleaf. Okay, majority of you. What is that? Canva? You guys are using Flow. I checked. Okay. What about others? Canva Resume. Okay. Canva Novo. Okay, so I just asked one question, like among this, right, novaresume.com, canva.com, flowcv.com, and overleaf.com, which is the like resume builder format or the portal that people have checked. So you can see most of the answers here. What we have is Nova Resume, Flow CV, Canva, Flow CV, Overleaf, Nova Resume, Canva. Flow, I checked Novo. I have checked Flow CV and Google Docs. Okay, Google Docs is also good. I will show you. Try to show you. It's an AI platform, definitely. I just create a from scratch Canva. These templates can crack ATS core Canva. So most of you are giving me the mix and match answers, right? So let me show you some things. First, we will start with Canva. Okay, so as people are telling like Canva. So let's start with canva.com, and I will take a sample template in front of you. Okay, and I will design that template, and I will design that template in front of you. So just give me 1 second. Okay, so I just asked one question like this, right? Which is the like resume builder format or the portal that people have checked. Done. So all of you see here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a, now the step 2 is resume templates, resume preparation we will do. So in the canva.com, if you see here, you have to prepare an account, and you can just search like resume templates. Now all of you see here, when you go ahead with this, automatically you will have so many resume templates from here. Are you guys able to see? Yes. When you are able to see, you have so many very good resume templates, which I will be now creating a DevOps resume out of one template. So wherever you see here pro, don't go with that. Wherever you don't see any symbol like this, you can select any of the resume. Now tell me which one resume is looking good for you. I will be selecting few templates for you, right? There are many templates which are available for us. Okay, how about this template? Is this good template? What do you guys think? If I can I go ahead? So let's say like I will remove this for now. Okay, what do you think? Do you think it's a good template? Like about me is there, name is there, phone number, email ID, account, then some things is there, project details are there, achievements are there, and if we want to add some page, we can add one more page also. Shall we do it here? No, it's not good. Okay, you want me to take any other template? Okay, that's a good decision. So let's go to the back site again on the canva.com. Okay, these all things are coming as pro. Let's take, what do you think this one? Is this good? You have to tell me. Until you tell me yes, I will keep on searching for this template. Do you think it's good? I will make it a little bit small. No. Okay, you guys are telling no. So let me search for some more templates. Okay, you see guys, which one is good? You tell me which one is good. See, now you are telling overleaf without photo. Okay, let's search with without photo once. Okay, what about this? Is this good? One page resume. I think this is fine. Great. Okay. Most UI precedent. Go for Nova. Now, first you told Canva, now you are telling to go for Nova. Okay, all of you tell me like, I think this is good, na? It is subtle, clean. I will make little bit changes according to the DevOps requirements. But is this good? Like one-page resume? I think it's okay. Yes? Okay, shall I go with this? I will prepare in front of you the DevOps resume. Okay, then we will check some more things. Okay? Yes, I think it's good. Yeah. So all of you see here, what I'm going to do is I'll change the complete resume pattern in front of you. Just see here. I don't want this name to be this much big. So whenever you are putting some data points here, you have to mention as DevOps/SRE engineer. Okay. This is the primary mistake where everyone does is they don't mention SRE in your resume. So please try to mention DevOps/SRE engineer. So what I will do is I'll keep these things as it is. Okay. I don't want to change it. And if you see here, as a DevOps engineer with 3 years of experience, I have a passion for designing, automating, and preparing the architecture. See, whenever you are writing something, please make sure all the things are different. If you write like, I want to join an organization which is giving me good money or something, then everyone is writing the same thing. So whenever you are given an opportunity to write something unique, please stick with your brain. Okay. So write everything in a different way. Are you getting, guys? Yes. So you have to write in a very, very unique manner so that when the person takes your resume, they should feel that, okay, he has written something good. So you see here, as a DevOps engineer with 3 years of experience, I have passion for designing, automating, and preparing the architecture, maybe architecture components in cloud that helps the development team to deploy their applications seamlessly. I have won several awards and have completed few certifications in DevOps and SRE space. I have also been awarded as the best employee for the year in my organization for the CI/CD end-to-end automation. Now tell me, what are you understanding when you saw this? Guys, I am asking you all. When you saw this, what have you understood? Can you remove that tagged comment? Oh, okay, I will remove. Oh, my screen is not visible. Oh, when it got shared. Okay. Okay, now. You can take the ChatGPT support also. Okay. You can take the ChatGPT support also. Yeah. So I think my screen was not shared. Please see here. Do you think it's good? Please take a 1 minute of time and read this. Yes, it's fine, right? You guys are understanding as a DevOps engineer. See, the more you sell yourself in the first few lines, the better the opportunity comes to you. So as a DevOps engineer with 3 years of experience, I have a passion for designing, automating, and preparing the architecture components in cloud that helps the development teams to deploy their application. Maybe you can change it a little bit, these lines, or add some more lines, right? To deploy their application seamlessly. I have won several awards, rewards, and completed few certifications in the DevOps and SRE space. I have also been awarded as the Best Employee Award for the organization for automating the complete CI/CD automation. Right? Yes, it's good you mentioned these all things are like your points to sell yourself. So definitely. So when you tell about professional skills, you can tell like CI/CD automations, cloud deployments, Linux and Windows management, AWS and Azure, rollouts with Terraform, on-call support and prod activities, Docker and Kubernetes, okay. Now you see, does it make sense? See, summary you can write as much as you want. Yes, summary you can definitely write 2 to 3 lines, but I believe in my resume it will be like this much. It's a little bit more than that itself. Okay. So person should understand like what have you done actually and all. And coming on to the professional summary, I have added these things, but again it depends, like whatever you are actually thinking, you can add it accordingly. And once you have done this, you can explain like DevOps and SRE engineer. Wherever you are writing, please write as DevOps and SRE engineer. Okay. And whatever the company you are working, please write. Okay. And from when to when you worked, right? And what are the things you are going to write. Now, when you are writing the roles and responsibilities, I will be very, very much careful in writing my roles and responsibilities. Okay. So please see here, whenever I am writing the roles and responsibilities, I will write like this: designed and implemented, okay, the complete CI/CD flow with REST API automation, where almost 15 to 20 tools were integrated, and also the designed and implemented the complete CI/CD flow with REST API automation, where almost 15 to 20 tools were integrated with the CI/CD pipeline, and also manage the Jenkins shared libraries and Groovy files. Okay, this is one thing. Now you see here, the cloud deployments were automated with the help of CI/CD and Kubernetes, and all the applications were converted into microservice architecture to support these deployments. Automated the REST APIs of Kubernetes with Python code to give the deployment status to the development teams. Okay. Troubleshooted the SRE on-call activities and created many RCA and solved the business critical issues and received the awards. Okay, now you see here okay, I will remove this. Yeah, so if you are able to see here, tell me each line is making the difference. Yes. Yeah, I will review your resume also, so that will be helpful to you. Guys, can you see each line is different from other? Yes or no? Do you agree? Do you guys agree that I am trying to make sure each line is different from one another? Yes, you all are agreeing. So what you do basically is whenever you are preparing your resume, you try to make the resume in this format only. Like each line should be different. And when you are trying to present yourself also, present in a complete way. If you see here, the complete sentence shows that you have designed, implemented the complete CI/CD flow with REST API automation. We're almost 15 to 20 now. If you see, this line is divided into 3 parts. Yes or no? Guys, do you understand? So what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to tell the interviewer that, boss, I have done this work. Now, what you do now, you just write this alone. Do you guys agree with me? Yes? You just write like design and implemented the complete CI/CD flow. What is that CI/CD? What you have done? Why you have done? You will not write. Correct? Agree? You guys agree with me? I have seen many resumes whenever I do the interview preparation or mock interviews on my channel or anything I do, right? I see that people usually write one line. Okay. People usually write one line only. So that's a big blunder. You have to complete the sentence, what you have done. So basically, whenever you are writing something, you write like what, right, why, when, and how. So basically you have to follow what you are writing, why you are writing, when you did this basically, and how you did this. So you see here, design and implemented the complete CI/CD flow with REST API automation. How? With REST API automation. Why? Almost 15 to 20 tools were integrated, and with the CI/CD pipeline we manage the shared libraries and Groovy files also. Same goes with the second line also. If you see, the complete end-to-end scenarios we are trying to cover here. Agree? Now, if you are watching me on live, can you hit a agree button? Right? If you agree with the statement, like I've seen many resumes where you write only one line. Correct? But if you are in the live and if you tell me that, okay, Praveen, yes, what you said is correct. Agree. If you are in the live session, I need agree from you. LinkedIn people, raise your voice and tell me whatever I told, does it make sense to you? Okay. Brother has joined. Yes, you all agree? Agree to agree. But yeah, agree to agree. Okay. That really makes sense. Now, people on LinkedIn, why you are silent? You are usually very, very silent. Okay, only Pooja is active. Right. Now, once you have done this, okay, I will remove all these things, not me. So all of you see here, Praveen Singampalli, DevOps engineer, my details, summary I have written like this, professional skills I have written, work experience I have written, education and certifications I have written. Okay, and I will remove this also. Now what I'm trying to do is I'll try to download this resume in the PDF format. Now, what I have seen is many of you, right, try to, okay, now all of you see here. Okay. I know that it needs some more modifications of the things like the font should be same and all those things. But for the one page resume, if I add my whole projects here, like the whole roles and responsibilities, whole data points, definitely this is going to be a very good resume, right? At least for the intermediate level of structured data, if you need for a resume, you can definitely follow this. Okay. So I'm not recommending like you use these colors. You can keep it very simple, because when you see the entire resume, this data is very much eye striking. So you can just remove that colors also if you need. So if you see here, the LinkedIn, okay, now once you have done this, it needs your little bit patience levels also to do these kind of things. So definitely, but once you have done, right, it will be very, very easy for you to understand things. Okay, so you have to do for different kinds of boxes like this. It need, like, a beginner person can definitely do this to give the hands on. Okay. Wipro is very, 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 very easy to crack. Okay, Himanshi. So I will definitely tell you some things. Now, how many of you are ready to give your resume for reviews? Shall we do the resume reviews? Yes. Does summary really matter in ATS for every? Correct. Summary is very, very important, which will help you in understanding few things. Okay. Now I am going to share you some drive link. So what I will request is you guys, those who are interested to get your resumes reviewed, you upload your resume in that drive. But before uploading, if possible, you can remove your mobile number and email ID, because it's a public platform, everyone will see. I don't want you to keep in trouble, right? So if your mobile number and email IDs are like something like masked or something, that will be good. Okay, I'm going to share you the drive link in less than 1 minute. Okay, great. So I have the drive link with me. Those who are interested, yes. Himanshi, you can share your resume definitely. Now this is the drive link. I will be attaching this drive link on this place. You can definitely share your resumes with me. Okay, I will be waiting for your data to come with me. Yes, you can add it, Aniruddha. No issues. I will definitely review your data also. And people on YouTube, those who are there, you can give your resumes. Okay, already the first resume has been uploaded in the portal. Okay, now the first resume has been uploaded. If Shubham is here, all right. So let's do this screen share and let's see Shubham's resume. Now, Shubham, are you there? So I got the first resume with me. This is Shubham's resume, and I'm thinking that he is a fresher according to this experience. Shubham, are you a fresher? Yes, Shubham is a fresher, and basically 2026. Okay, you completed Bachelor of Computer Applications in 2023 and Master of Science in IT, which you are going to do in 2026. Okay. So meanwhile, you are just doing part-time. I am assuming that. Yes? Okay, you are a fresher. Okay. Okay. Now see, brother, it's good that you have added this data, but this is not going to fetch you job or internship. Okay, why? Because if you see, all these points are very, very generic points. I told you, right? Here, if you see, every point should be very much impactful. If you see this, the point number one is very, very impactful, with point two again being impactful, point three again, point four again. So what we are trying to do, we are trying to make sure the best in class data is added in your resume. Are you clear, brother? Are you clear? So if you see here, you've done an intern, okay, that you have done almost like 8-9 months, but still you kept only 3-4 lines. What does this mean? Either it means you have not done, correct, brother, or you actually didn't do. Okay, so I'm not sure. So I'm just writing this resume reviews. Okay, right. So if you see here, all this data should be changed first of all, and your complete resume has to be changed. Now, if you are telling that you have worked as a DevOps intern, you can add this project only here. You are getting me, right? You can definitely add this complete project into here and tell to the people that you have worked as an intern with respect to this project. Make sense? And see, whatever you have added here, that's not going to work because there is no such important points for the person to check. So you can actually add more pointers to make your resume good. Clear? Right? So I will just stop this. So many resumes have been here. Okay, I didn't expected you all will upload this many resume. Okay, next, who is that person? You have to give me your name if you are present so that I can talk with you. Whoever has uploaded, guys, please tell me your name. I will review it. Okay, guys, give your name. Sai Prasad. Okay. Okay, and one more thing, guys, you all see, you gave nan.pdf, myresume.pdf, right? It will not work like this. You have to give your name and your years of experience. Okay, so I'm not able to see Sai. Your resume is not visible to me. Anyone else who is present? Nanda. Okay, Nanda is there. Nanda, DevOps engineer, 6 years of experience. Okay. So Nanda is here. Okay, 12 years of experience he has. I am a DevOps and SRE engineer with over 6+ years of experience in application automation, scaling, security monitoring, alongside cloud migration and SRE practices. With over 12+ years of experience in diversified IT. Okay, I am an accomplished professional with proven consistently in delivering. Okay, so this is good. This is okay, but still you can add or change some points as I have told you, right? In the first summary itself, if you write like, okay, I have received awards, I have completed this certifications, I have automated complex solutions. Some things like that will add more points to you. Now, skill set is good. I can see you have added everything that is needed for your resume to work. And one more thing, guys, when you are writing only these services, these are very basic services. EC2, IAM, RDS for 6+ or 12+ years of experience. You should write Lambda. Okay, you should write networking. You should write DNS route 53, right? So those things you have to write so that people can understand, okay, you have really worked on cloud. Rest all things are clear. Software consultant, build and release engineer. Okay, Bangalore till date. And you don't need to write this. Okay, people are very least bothered about what is this actually doing in your, or what you have done in your project. Okay, so the best thing to make the page or the size of the resume small, you can leave everything. Okay, and like add one more point as a roles and responsibilities. Okay, involved in designing, implementing and maintaining CI/CD pipelines, having 12+ tools. Now these are the good points. All of you see here. If you see here, one point, involved in designing, implementing and maintaining robust CI/CD pipelines, having 12+ tools for ERP forms and configuration changes, using Jenkins file to codify pipeline changes. Now it contains how, when, what, everything. So that's what I told. If you are adding one point, also add that in a very beautiful manner. Makes sense, everyone? Makes sense, right? Work closely with developers, QA, DB. I think it's good. Develop the structure. Now your points are really good, Nanda, but only thing is it should be in a structured format. Senior software engineer. Now what is this NK2 square? Please check this link. I don't know like why you have added this link here. Okay, for this project 2 senior software engineer, you have not added the project summary. Okay, so this one also you just remove. In for cloud, whatever you have written, you can remove it. Okay, third project. Now if everyone sees, first project you have added so many things, good points. Second project, okay. Third project you reduce all the things, and the fourth project you still reduce the things. So what I am telling is, see, no one will ask you how many projects you worked. People will only check what is the content that you have added in each project. So what you do is, if possible, I'm just telling to you, this is the latest project, right, which you are working. Keep this one, right, and keep this one, right, and the rest two combine as one if possible. Okay, everything I think you are doing in the same company, right? I'm not sure if you are doing in the same company, you can add it. So many projects are there, and rest all things are good. And see here, see, you mentioned 2008 to 12, this one. Personality skills are not needed, so you can remove it. Self declaration is not needed, you can remove it. You can remove everything and utilize the space. I can see that it's a, just 1 second, guys. Okay, okay. So when we are seeing this resume, it's good, but play tactically, where you combine the last 2 3 projects into one project, or last 3 projects at least make 2 projects. It's very very big to see all those things, and we are not able to judge what have you actually worked in which project. Now One more thing, what I'm seeing is you bolded here, you bolded here. So the first two projects, you kept the bold letter nicely. Now, when it comes to here, you remove the bold letter. So maintain a parallelism into all the systems of your resume. Clear? And people on YouTube, if you are watching me, please like this video. Nanda, is it clear? But my ATS score is below par. That's why I am telling. If your ATS score is below 70, 60, you have to make it at least 75 plus. And with this, it will not work. Either change the template or either change the entire resume format to bring at least 75. Okay. Now, next person. Guys, I have received so many resumes. I'll stop the share link right now. Okay, you guys can see your resumes. Those who have uploaded, you please watch it. Okay, now some person I am looking at. Yeah, Himanshi. Himanshi, are you there? Yes. Now, Himanshi, see here. This is a very, see, you have almost, you started with TCS. You wrote only this points. You are working with Lukesoft. You wrote only this points. Now, what I am telling is, change the complete resume into 2 pages if possible. Why I am telling this, let me tell you. See, the more you write in the resume, now don't bother about 1 page or 2 page. If you really have worked on the project, good projects, and guys, always take the template which is giving you the full length. Like this is the resume. You are starting from one end and ending on the other end. Take that kind of resume which is giving you more space to write about the work experience. Now, very important, let me tell you, the work experience plays a major role. The work experience plays 100% major role, or professional summary, whatever you call it. So what I'm trying to say is, if you can bring this entire thing on this space and write a bigger good words, there are chances for you to get selected in a very good companies also. Are you getting, Imanshi? Yes. Okay. Now, if I see here, provided UAT infrastructure support with different AWS configuration, ensuring smooth. Now, what you have done, we don't know. You just said a normal line where you are telling that you provided the UAT support and you ensured smooth deployment. Now, monitored application for which application, what application? You didn't mention application project name, nothing, right? So how I will trust that you have worked on these things? So mention what you have monitored, what you have achieved, what was the outcome, write down. Automated the server. Now, this is okay. You told automated the server restart process using shell scripting. Okay, this is good. Okay, point. Again, okay. Okay, what incident, why incident came? Little bit, if you can expand that also, it makes sense. Now, in the TCS, you worked for 3 years. Just understand, my dear, you only kept 4 points. In 4 years or 3 years, if you are keeping 3-4 points, how can I judge you? If I am your interviewer, I want more points to be seen in the resume. Are you getting? Yes. So definitely take care of those points, and if possible, change your complete resume. Bring everything from this space so that you have a good space to write everything. Like I have shown you in this particular template we have seen, right, where I was modifying. So try to make it something like this, which will be giving more impact to you. Clear? So definitely please check that. Okay, and rest all things are good. And I cannot go up because I see your number is there, so that's why I have stopped here. Okay, Manoj, is this one yours? Yes. Manoj, if you confirm, I can check this. Manoj, Rajesh. Okay. Manoj, is this, okay, right. Okay, now we will see, okay, good that you have hidden your data. Manoj Kumar Chhawa. Okay. DevOps engineer with around 3 years of experience in automating CI/CD pipelines, managing Kubernetes-based deployments, provisioning provisioning secure, scalable AWS infrastructure. Okay. Cognizant Technology Solutions. Provision secure, scalable AWS infrastructure, VPC, EKS, and using Terraform and CloudFormation. Okay, now first thing, you mentioned both. So first interviewer will ask why you utilized both, why you are going with Terraform and what do you say, like your cloud formation both. So you should be able to understand, make him understand that the requirement was like that. Enabling high availability for 100K plus daily transaction. So you should be very strong at telling the design. Okay, so again I am telling the things you have to tell him whenever you are mentioning. This is for everyone, those who are watching me. Whenever you are telling the number, right, please make sure that you are ready with your architecture design also, because the person will ask, what have you automated the 100K transactions, what have you done? Clear? Does this make sense? Correct, right? So whenever you are writing number, just be cautious and just make sure that you are telling the opposite person that you are strong in what you are telling. So the points are really good. Wrote a Python automation scripts for deployment task, log processing, and resource management. Set up centralized Fluentd CloudWatch, implemented AMP. These all things are beautiful. So definitely no issues in writing down these things. Now everything is genuine because you are from Cognizant, you are writing everything in a genuine way. I appreciate that, but I will be very much interested whether you will be able to answer like what was the microservice, how was the architecture, why you went with Docker Alpine images only, what have you done the health checks, what is Amazon EKS, Helm charts, how you have created HPA, 500K applications. Now these all things play a bigger role in your resume. Like resume is good, definitely, no doubt in that. But what my primary point is, you have to be very strong in telling the truth. Make sense, everyone? Correct, right? So this will play an important role. And again, every point is good. And you worked as an intern also. You put skills, you put at last. Okay. Now, if possible, you can put the skills also. Don't bold it. You have bolded it. It doesn't need that much boldness here. So what you do is you bring the skills onto after summary. Okay, summary, skills, experience, and your certifications, whatever it is there. So rest all things are good. Okay, rest all things are good. If possible, you can add more pointers and make 2-page resume also. No one is going to stop you. Clear? Nishan Bhansode. Okay, let's see. Nishan. Nishan. Where are you, brother? Okay, this one. Okay, first and the foremost things all of you see here. This doc, right? All of you see here once. Whenever you are presenting any kind of document, okay? Now, one important thing, let me tell you all. Please like this video, guys. Okay, you all are watching me. You are not liking the video. Please make it 50 likes at least, if you can do it, right? At least one help you can do, right? Yes, Sai Prasad, I will check. Okay, done. Okay, 5 more likes. Chalo. Anandu, okay. Okay, so many people are there. Okay, first let me complete Nishant's once. Okay, so all of you see here, Nishant is doing good. He has mentioned LinkedIn ID, he has mentioned GitHub ID. So much big, brother. This much big is not needed. Okay, please make it small, at least like 3 lines or 4 lines. That should be good. Okay, and see, make space, right? Why you have added everything like this? So much data you have added. See, if whenever you are giving the document, right, it will create this issue only. Even the recruiter will face this issue. Okay. So never ever share your data like this in the document format. Always share in the PDF format. And this name also, Nishan Bansode underscore DevOps. Okay. If you have done this, download this file as a PDF. Make sense, everyone? Make sense? Correct? Great. Now, all of you tell me, you have seen so many things till now, right? You understood so many things. Now, one common pattern which you have seen in my Canva, which I have actually done the download for you, right? Is that I mentioned name, the title, the description, the summary, skills, and then work experience. So follow this template if you are looking for any kind of good template. And there are other websites also like your Flow CV and all. Now, many of you have asked me batch 12 when it is going to start, what it is giving you. Now tell me how many of you have not enrolled with batch 12, right? And willing to enroll for batch 12. Now, let me tell you, see, I cannot go to each of the student and review resume, but I will have a glance. But once you are joining batch 12, let me tell you, I will be taking your complete responsibility and I will be teaching from end to end. Okay. So what does this mean is you will be with me, you will be cracking jobs with me, you will be understanding things, how in real time the projects work, how you can deploy your services onto Kubernetes, how you can create a resume like much more better than putting these kind of points, real time points, and how you can shortlist yourself as a DevOps engineer. So this batch is starting in next 10 days, which is your 28th June 2025, with 14 projects, live classes, assignments, and very important, you will get everything downloadable. Okay, so here we are also introducing AI concepts with which you can prepare your resume in a very short span. Also, we will see this all things in the next 2 months. The duration, like you start with Linux fundamentals, Linux advanced concepts, Linux basic concepts, then you move with Jenkins, the flows, the strategies, then you move with Docker and Kubernetes, where you learn how to Dockerize a container, how to Dockerize an application in a container format in real time. I will be giving you a code and I will be converting that into a project for you. Now, if you see Helm, Istio, RBAC, service accounts, manifest files, components in depth, right? And this is for freshers to anyone who is experienced. Because if you are a fresher, to be honest, if you keep 2 projects in the projects that I'm going to tell you, starting from Jenkins, monitoring, Docker, Kubernetes, monitoring again, Argo CD, Kubernetes, Helm charts, monitoring, Azure, AWS. These all projects, you take only 3 projects and keep it in your resume. And very important, I am going to share my templates, my Infosys resume with you, my Walmart resume with you, my Verizon resume with you, my interview questions, my mock interviews, my documents, my assignments, and everything will be mine. No other mentor will be giving you, right? So if anyone is interested, right? If anyone is interested, you can definitely enroll for batch 12. And one more thing, if you are enrolling today, the price you are going to get is close to 70% off. And not only this, if you are enrolling today, you will be soon getting the preparation materials, right? So if anyone is interested, you can enroll and you can ask me your queries also. I'm going to share this link on the LinkedIn also. Now, some people were telling like, what was that? Some people were telling you are looking for a job, right? So one girl was telling like, she is looking for a, what do you say? I don't remember exactly, right? She was having a Wipro interview or something. She told. So those kind of people, right? You are having any kind of interviews lined up, or you are looking for upskilling. Now with that resume, definitely you can't get it. But if you look for batch 12, it has all the things for you to upskill. That is very, very important for you to understand. Okay. So my take, those who are joining batch 12, yes, Melkin, thanks a lot for joining and believing. I hope that you have got your website login and you check the flow also. Yes, Nagadi Praneeth, I will review maybe offline once, okay? But once people are enrolling for batch 12, we will see in-depth things, okay? We will see basics to advanced, all the things in batch 12. So anyone who is interested, no, don't, we have fixed the date. We don't want to extend any date now, okay? Syllabus and the designs are already done, okay? So batch 11 recordings, actually what happened was we have migrated the system now. Okay, so batch 11 recordings is not available as of now. Those who have enrolled previously, they are getting it. Okay, bro, skip dinner for review. Okay, yes, Chirant. So 28th is the start date of the batch. Now how many of you are interested to enroll? Can you give your name? So let's say Satish. I am Satish. I am interested to enroll, but I have some doubts. So anyone like that? Anandu, LinkedIn profiles I have done many times. Yesterday, I think day before yesterday we have done. Okay. So anyone interested in batch 12? Like we are starting in next 10 days and already some data points are added in the website for you. Myself, Satish. Right. Nanda, thanks a lot. Right. Satish and Sai are interested to enroll. Bro, I skipped dinner for review for my resume. Nagadi Praneeth. Okay, I also skipped my dinner. Okay, so Sai is interested. Alex Q. Interested. Yes, your name, Ram Mohan. So what I am telling, right? If you are looking at my YouTube, the way I take the mock interviews, right? If you don't still believe me, you can check this mock interview. The way I take the mock interview, or I help the students to crack any kind of companies, you can check this one video. It will be giving you so many insights of cracking a good company. And if you are still like having a doubt, you can also check our placement stories. Okay, so in the website heydevops.in, if you see here, not here by the way, in the back side, if you see placements, you can see how batch 12 people got placed, how batch 11 people, batch 11 people got placed, what are their stories. You can see everything here. Okay. Yes, Yasir, thanks a lot. Yes, Nishan, those who want to join, I'm giving this link to you, right? You can just see this link and enroll right now. I will be waiting for you guys and I will be talking with you all also. Okay, soon. So Nishan, interested to join at a very less cost, right? I am a fresher. I mention all educational details from 10th class to master degree. Okay, right? So that's okay. You can mention definitely. Sir, as a fresher, as I am a fresher, I mention all education details from 10th class to masters. Nagadi, just give me some time. I will definitely review. Okay. Nivurti, I have seen your name multiple times. Yes, I know. So we will meet on 28th of June. Hardly we have 10 days left closely, where we will see all those things, right? Ritik Singh on resume. I didn't get that what you were mentioning actually. Sir, I am a fresher. I mention all education details from 10th class to master's degree. That's fine. I'm thinking that you are asking me, can I mention all education details or not? You can definitely mention it. Okay, so those who want to join on LinkedIn, I'm sharing this link. Or else you can just Google it, heydevops.in. When you enter it, it will come English course. You can go to batch 12, which is latest one, view course and book your seat. Okay, you can do this. It's very easy steps. Yes, Padma, I have seen that your name is already there. I have definitely seen all your things, right? Yes. So those who are, yes, Yasir, thanks a lot. Not, I think, Spandan. Spandan, I have seen you multiple times. So I would love to see you in the batch 12. This is the batch 12 link. Hardly we have, how many days we have? 10 days hardly, because there are some data points also you have to cover, right? And one more thing, we have migrated the website. Okay. So the backend will be looking a little bit different from the previous one. I'm telling to the old batch students and old previous batch students. Now, all of you see here, if you see here login, if you are a batch 11 and earlier member, click on this. And if you are, okay. And if you are a batch 12 member, you have to click on this. Okay. So both the logins are different for batch 11 because we have migrated the entire batch 12 to a new platform on the latest tech platform. Okay. So you will be getting some very advanced things on the batch 12. Those who have enrolled, we have migrated their usernames also. I was doing the task from morning, right? So we will be rolling out some updates for you, like the migration things are going on. So anyone who is enrolling now in the batch 12, you will be already added to the new platform. Okay, so don't worry about that. So that's what, just a heads up. Those who have previously enrolled with us, please check the website is migrated to a new platform. Last one is also good. Definitely it's a good, but the batch 12 will get advanced things. Okay. So see, every time we have to upgrade with technologies. 3 months, 2 months to 3 months Sonu. Okay. 2 months to 3 months to lagega hi. ठीक है? Yes, Sonu, it will take 2+ months to complete, almost 60-65 days. You will be with me. Do we need to? No. If you have, you keep it, no issues. Okay. If you have, you keep it, no issues. That will run anyways. But there will be one more app coming in, which we will roll out after a few weeks. Okay. By batch 12, you will get all those details, definitely. Okay. Now, Anyone who is interested to enroll for batch 12, let me know. Let me know in the comment section. Spandan, you can definitely join. I have shared you the link. Any questions you have? Satish, you can ask your queries right now. I am here personally talking to all of you, right? So you can ask me. So Sai and those who wanted to, oh, okay, Shrikant, great, thanks Shrikant. Yes, Sai, we will do it later. Probably in one more session we will take it. Okay, but this is the batch 12 link. Everyone, those who are willing to upskill yourself can join. Okay, definitely can join in the batch 12. Any other questions you have for me? Okay, sir, I have experience, but I don't have a PF account. So it's a very big issue right now because many companies are looking at PF accounts only, right? And I'm assuming that you can take a NOC certificate if you know that NOC certificate you can take. Okay, I'm just telling again, NOC certificate from the company you can take. Okay, so what it will do is basically it will tell that Nishan Bansode has worked with us, right? And we certainly didn't had the PF, but right now he has the skills to attain some projects or something. You can mention, you can ask them. Okay, now anyone who is enrolling, can you let me know your name in the batch 12? No prerequisites. Nivurti, if you have already joined, if you see, there will be some documents attached. So please go over that. That should be sufficing as of now. But once class starts, I'll take care of everything. I did multiple job roles as system admin, as developer in the same company. Does it impact? No, no, not needed. Nothing will happen. Great, Shrikant. Yes, I have already acknowledged your enrollment. Okay, those who have your resumes in the drive, don't worry, we will conduct one more session. Probably I will take from there your resumes. But as of now, you should be able to understand that what is the resume pattern, how to check, what is the plan, right? Everything, please check that. No, you are not a fresher. If you have already experience, then you are not a fresher. Okay, clear? I will help you to change your resume into a different aspect. Okay. Right. Anyone who is enrolling? Anyone? How will be the job market after 2 months as we will be starting for applying jobs with updated resume? With see, we cannot predict how will be the job after 2 months, but what I can tell is jobs are always there. Okay, jobs are always there. Sir, I would having a career gap because recently I have joined DevOps Master Program from an institute and also planning to self-learn parallelly. You have 1 year. So Anandu, my suggestion is as early as possible, you get a job. Okay, that will be helping you. That is my take. Okay. Any basics to go through before starting batch 12 class? Yes, you can go over the documents attached like Linux, cheat sheets, Docker, little bit basics you can definitely check before the class starts. Okay, Praveen, a weird question. As you mentioned, live classes, will it be Zoom? Yes, all the live sessions of batch 12 will be on Zoom. Okay. Yes, you all the live sessions, including doubt sessions, will be on the Zoom. Okay. So I've shared the link on the LinkedIn also, right? If you are looking out for a job, if you want to upskill, you can definitely enroll yourself. Okay, great. So do we need to know any of the programming language? No, because I will be teaching everything in terms of automations, right? So the scenario based automations we will discuss. So not needed. ठीक है? Nath. I have over 10 years of experience in identity management, considering the growing demand for the multi-cloud DevOps. So what you can do is basically, see, it's a good time. Definitely, it's a good time. Okay, I think you missed it, Satish. We are covering two clouds here. Okay, so we are covering Azure and AWS. So if you see here on the picture itself, you will see Azure logo and AWS logo. And if I search in the Bash 12 for your information, Azure will be there and also AWS will be there. So both the things are there for you. So it's a two clouds platforms. Okay. Anyone facing payment issues or anything? No, right? DSA, yes, DSA is also important. Yes. Yes, it's important. Definitely it will play an important role. Okay. Great. Okay, thanks a lot for joining. I will see you in the next session, right? And please prepare well. When you're giving a job, try to get the job 100%, right? And please make sure that whatever you have understood from today's session, right? Maybe the resumes, the writing format, the conversion of the PDF, putting your summary, skills, then your professional experience, then your education, roles and responsibilities, all those things, please check that. Okay. And if your resume is onto the drive, I would suggest still, please create a new template if possible and write down everything fresh. Okay. And always try to impress others with your resume. That's the one underline. The more you sell yourself on the resume, or the more you keep more points in the resume, that will help you. Okay, Pooja Bhavani, as of now, you have seen multiple resumes. Probably it will help you. Please check and create the best resume as per your understanding. Okay, right. Understood. Thank you. Thank you, Bambole. Right. Okay, thanks a lot for joining this session. I'm really grateful to have you all today's evening. And this is Praveen signing off from this video. We'll meet you in the next video. Please take care and see you all the best. I think few of you have next week rounds. So please prepare well. Okay. And if anyone is interested to enroll, you can definitely enroll for Bash 12. I'm sharing the link again. Yes, Darshan, you can enroll for Bash 12. I have shared the link. Okay. Right. Thank you all. Please take care. Bye.